All right, this morning of New Year's Eve, actually the morning of New Year's Day rather, just after midnight, is the deadliest time for drunk driving crashes all around the country and in New Mexico. The group Mothers Against Drunk Driving wants that to change. It wants people to be safe in the new year and not get behind the wheel after drinking. We cannot stress this enough. Please do not drink and drive. The executive director in New Mexico for Mothers Against Drunk Driving, Ben Lewinger, is here now to talk about ways that you can stay safe and just how sobering some of these statistics are. Good morning, Ben. Thanks for coming in.
Yeah.
You talk about these statistics. There are a lot of stats, and when we say this, we really mean it. This is the deadliest couple of days for drunk driving in the whole country and here in New Mexico.
Right. Nationally, we see that drunk driving deaths are up about 4.6% from the previous year, and that's largely based on New Year's Day. New Year's Day is the only time where over half of all traffic fatalities involve alcohol.
Wow. And again, all of that is prevented. You took a look at this is from you. Just last year, 830 lives were lost in drunk driving crashes during the holiday season.
Right. So that's nationally. In New Mexico, we've lost about 123 people so far this year, but the year's not over yet. That is a little bit down from last year. But again, we just really have to be vigilant and make sure that this very last day of 2013, we have no more drunk driving deaths.
Yeah, and I imagine about a lot of those 123 people who have died in drunk driving crashes, young people.
Young people.
Yeah.
Right, and when you think about that 123 people, the network of family and friends around them, like this is a problem that has really significant impact across all communities in our state.
Yeah, and what we stress so much and what you and MAD, Mothers Against Drunk Driving, stress is this is 100% preventable, and particularly on a big holiday, there's really no excuse for driving drunk because there are so many opportunities to get you home and even your car home and do it for free.
Exactly. So some of those opportunities, we have the Tavern Taxi. This is something that bar patrons have known and used for several years. And for tonight, AAA has Tipsy Toe, which I know you've been plugging, and they'll pick you up and get your car home safe, so you don't have to get up early the next morning and go and pick it up.
Yeah, you don't even have to be a member of AAA to take advantage of this, because I think, and maybe you know this more than I do, I think maybe a lot of the reason people drive home, whether they've had a little bit too much to drink, is they want to be home with their car.
Right.
And they just think, even if it's like, I live a couple of miles from the bar, it's not going to be a big deal.
Well, it is. And I think when a sober person thinks about the dangers of driving even 2 miles, they can understand that. But when you're in that situation and you've already had too much to drink, it's just a few miles, no problem. But those 2 miles can make a huge difference, not only for you, because APD, Bernalillo County Sheriff, State Police, they have saturation patrols and DWI checkpoints everywhere. So you could get popped for DWI, but also you can do a lot of damage in those 2 miles and hurt yourself or somebody else. So the mantra is an ounce of prevention. Make sure that you make plans well before you're in that situation so you don't have to make that choice.
All right, you got some other tips from Mothers Against Drunk Driving for folks going out and having a good time tonight?
Yes, I do. Again, designate a non-drinking driver. That's what we've said for years.
Yep.
And
charge your friends if you're going to be the designated driver. This is my theory. Go out and, if you're not going to drink tonight, whether you drink or not on a regular basis, make some money off your friends. I mean, seriously.
What a way to bring in the new year.
Exactly, exactly. I would always tell people, if I'm the designated driver, that gas just got to be $20 a gallon. And I need to fill up. And that's how you can make some money off of them. But it's a very good point. And then we talked about before last week when you were here, switch it up. Have a different friend do it every time you go out or something if you're going to drink.
Yeah, and if you're going out with a big group of friends, rent a limo. It may seem expensive that day, but I guarantee you it's much cheaper than the costs of DWI or potentially hurting someone.
That's thousands, it could be tens of thousands of dollars in lawyers and court costs, and God forbid you hurt yourself or somebody else.
So we have all these tips and more on our website at mad.org, and we also have tips if you're hosting a party.
Okay.
For example, did you know that if you plan different activities and games, people are much less likely to get as intoxicated as
Good
if
idea.
you weren't?
Yeah. Absolutely.
So
you stay busy and you don't have to drink to try to make yourself, I don't know, pass the time or have a good time. All right, Ben Lewinger from Mothers Against Drunk Driving. Happy New Year, Ben. Thanks for coming in. Great tips. You can find them all at a link at our website at casa.com. We'll see you in 2014. All right, stick around. We got much more coming up. You probably won't be wondering what you'll be doing for the countdown for the new year by the end of this show, because AlbuquerqueAbout.com's Aileen O'Catherine has everything you need to know about New Year's celebrations. That is coming up, and we're talking about how to get you and your car home tonight for free with Tipsy Toe. Stay there.